Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can transfer an Instagram account from one phone to another. So for example, I have this account here called example name O, right? And I want to change phone and I want to transfer this account from this old phone to the new phone. Now, what you need to know is that this is an account, right? This is not like storage or this is not like something that's stuck inside of your phone storage. So if you want to transfer this, you don't really need to transfer anything. You just have to log out of this account on your old phone and then log into this account on your new phone, right? So for example, here, I'm just going to log out of this, log out, and then I'm going to log in. Now, let's just pretend this is now my new phone and this is all new and I can log in again, right? This is all new and I don't have my old phone anymore. Now this is my new phone. All I have to do is just log in with my details from earlier. So example name O, and I'm just going to put in my password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Log in. Not now. And then there you go. Now we're just on a new account, and this is a new phone, and you've basically transferred from your old account or from your old phone onto your new phone.